Hello, this is Chris Johnson with Cross Company, and welcome to our tips section for using MeasureX software on OGP E-Series machines. Hello, this is our next session on MeasureX software. In this section, we're going to talk about using GD&T. In our previous tips and tricks, we talked about how we would set up an origin, which we have already done. We have an origin on a circle, an alignment to another circle next to it, across here, and we also have a Z origin set on top of the part, which is a datum C. Okay? So now we're going to go measure another feature, and we're going to calculate its true position. Okay? So this is the part that's being measured on the screen. We can see two holes. And we can see the large center hole around a bolt circle pattern. We're going to measure that center hole. Okay? So let's measure the hole on the screen. We'll use our feature finder. Select 3 points. Here is our circle. If we look on the right-hand side, this is the same as our previous tips videos. We can see that we have a diameter, an X location, and a Y location. On our side, we have nominal locations. Well, to calculate a true position, we need to know the nominal locations. You would get these from your drawing. And the top diameter is a 6.5 millimeter with a tolerance of 0.2 millimeters. Our next one, our nominal location for the X is 25.4. So we'll type that in for our nominal location. We'll go down to our Y location, which has a nominal of 16, but an actual of 15.9. Once we have our nominals in, we can come down to our geometric tolerancing section below, which allows us to calculate circularity. So we can get circularity of the circle being measured, so we'll select that. We can also get true position. We also have the ability to do concentricity and profile. We'll talk about profile in another tips and tricks with CAD models. So we have a position which will give it a tolerance of 0.2 millimeters. Below the position, we have our geometric identifiers. We have an ID or an OD. We choose ID. We also have RFS for regardless of feature size. We can also add max material condition that'll bring in our bonus tolerance for our geometric tolerancing. And we have LMC, least material condition. Once we've identified the features that we want, in this case we are going to use maximum material condition, I will select OK, and we will see that our output shows us a diameter, an X and Y location. We have true position and circularity. We can choose how we want to see these features. So right now we have it set for actuals. We'll also turn on our nominals, and now we can see our features with our diameter, our nominal tolerance, X and Y, and our true position.